Strange Things Happen by Sarah Watts. First 8 bars, extremely slow. My metronome is set at 46 beats per minute. I count and we play together. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. I'll put my metronome up to 60. Nope, not 60. Let's do 54. Let's do those same 8 bars again. And we're at 54. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now I'll put my metronome at 60. So this is now exactly half the speed it's supposed to be. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3, 4. I'll put my metronome up to 72. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. I'm going to do that again because there were a couple of notes that I missed. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Let's put the tempo up to 88. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 2, a 3, a 4. One more time at 88. I count and we play. 1, a 2, a ready, go. I now have it at 100. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. again, performance speed. 1, a 2, a ready, go.